So, what's with the biscuits? Ooh, a triangulator machine. Very cool. Right. There are 4 different types of triangle. First, here's an isosceles triangle. It has 2 equal length sides and 2 equal angles. Oh, very clever. So, now we have an equilateral triangle. That's 3 sides of equal length and all the angles are 60 degrees. This is a scalene triangle. All the sides are different lengths and each angle is different as well. This one's a right-angled triangle, where one angle is always a right angle, so that's 90 degrees. Excellent stuff. Right, let's get you back to normal. Oh dear. It's fine.